Assalamualaikum, welcome back to SMS Infinity. I am Sadia Majun Suba, an HSC 22 candidate from government at Chilha College. So, this is the second episode of Final Model Test Exam Preparation Series, and today it's 14 October 2022. As you all know that today I had my chemistry first paper exam, and I have already uploaded the video on my YouTube channel. You can visit it, and this is the video of the preparation of my chemistry second paper exam. So this is 14 October and I have my chemistry second paper exam on the 16th October 2022. Now it's time 11:30 at the night, and now I'm gonna start my study for my chemistry second paper exam. So first of all, I will just give a reading with the most important topic from my textbook, and after completing reading the textbook, I will shift to my test paper and a one-shot class. So yeah, let's start. So with this, I have completed the total chapter 1, and I have read very carefully of the most important topic of chapter 1 of chemistry second paper. And now the time is 1:31 a.m. at the midnight, and I have studied for 1 hour and 15 minutes. It means it takes 1 hour and 15 minutes to complete one chapter, and I have also 2 chapters to complete within 4 hours total. So these are the topic and these are the chapters, you know it. So yeah, as it's already 1:30 a.m. at the night, and I am a little bit tired, so I am now going to stop my study for tonight, and optimistic to see you in again 15 October. It means tomorrow. So bye bye, good night. Good morning everyone, welcome back, and it's 15 October 2022 and it's Saturday now. Actually, at the last night, I stopped my study at around 1:30 a.m. But unfortunately, I didn't feel asleep, and that's why I was going through this solution book of my first paper that was provided by our coaching. So yeah, to complete this, I just invested around 1 hour, and after that, at around 2:30 a.m., I go for sleep. And as you all know that I studied 1 hour and 15 or 17 minutes for the chemistry second paper, and then I stopped my study for chemistry second paper, and this time will be counted for only chemistry reading. So I didn't count it when I was going through this. Whatever. Now the time is 1:59. It means it's already very late, as I slept at around 2:30 a.m. So I was late to wake up at the morning, and I woke up around 9 past 15 or 30, whatever. After that, I get fresh and then took my breakfast, and now I'm sitting here to start my study. So yeah, let's not talk anymore. Let's start study by starting the stopwatch. And today I will simply read the chapter 3 of chemistry second paper, and that is quantitative chemistry. So without any further talk, let's start reading throughout this chapter. Let's not study with the electric bulb light, let's study with the sunlight. And so let's set my table here, and I'm opening my secondary table here near my window so that the sunlight could come and I can study with the sunlight. So let's bring the book here. Yes, here is the necessary things that I need to study. So let's start study with the sunlight. At the noon, and I am done with my bath and lunch. So actually at the morning I left, not at the morning, at the noon I left my study at around 1:15 o'clock, and then I took my bath, took my lunch, and then I have to say it for preparing my practical notebook. Actually I have done with all of the practicals, but I left my chemistry both paper practical undone, so it's a big problem for me to complete all the practicals of chemistry within this short time, because it's almost 17 days left before my HSC exam. So I invested 1 hour plus or minus for my chemistry first paper and second paper practical. Even it's not complete totally. So whatever, now I'm here at around 3 plus 16 and 15 or 15 o'clock at the noon, and now I will again start my chemistry second paper exam preparation. And it's very unfortunate that I have unexpectedly removed the stopwatch time that was around 3 hours and 10 minutes, and somehow I removed that unfortunately and unwantedly. However, I will count it at the last portion. So okay, let's not talk anymore. Now I will just try to solve a CQ from test paper, and if I find that I'm facing some problems to solve the maths, I will do some online classes, one-shot classes. So let's see how is the journey, how will be the journey. So let's start without any further talking. Here I'm making a special note that would help me to revise all of the most important topic and most important maths, most important CQ within a very short time, because the night before exam we have to revise all of the things that is important for our exam in a very short time. So this is a special note that would help me a lot during my HSC exam. So now it's 12 past 4 at the noon, and I have completed this note totally, as you can see it. And I have studied for let's see, I have studied for almost 5 hours and 51 minutes. It means almost 6 hours. And now I will restart it with taking maltas, which is one of my most favorite food. So let's study with malta. So now the time is 4 past 18 o'clock, and I have studied for 10 hours. So now I'm stopping my study as I have my exam at 5 of the evening. So now it's time to get ready for my coaching, and I'm packing my bag as the last day I forget to take my calculator with me. So today I'm packing my bag very carefully. So now, as you can see, I'm in the rickshaw and I'm going towards my coaching. Here is the road. You can see there are some vehicles in the road as it's not Friday. And finally, I'm in my coaching and it's time for taking my exam, and now it's almost 4 past 41. So let's meet after completing my exam. Now I have reached my home after completing my exam. So let's go to home and meet after getting fresh. So after coming back from my coaching, I get fresh and then took some rest, and now I'm sitting here at around 9 o'clock at the night, and this is the ending part of the video. So I want to sum up the total work. Actually, I almost invested around 15 to 16 hours in total for my chemistry second paper exam preparation. The preparation was not too good and not too bad. That was an average preparation, and with that average preparation, my exam was good, and I'm optimistic that I would be able to cut a good figure in my exam. So yeah, please pray for me so that I could cut, and please pray for me so that I could be very regular in my exam, because it's almost only 17 days I have before my HSC exam. So yes, it's really a miserable period for me. So yeah, that is the ending part of the video, as I have my physics first paper exam on the 18th October. I need to prepare for that exam too. So yeah, that's the last part. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz.